Welcome back, everybody. So, yesterday we left on kind of a sad note. Miguel and Alfonso were pulling in to the house with the wagon, and there was a body in the back, completely covered with a blanket. But still, Mama and Esperanza immediately knew that it was Papa. They, the Mama fainted, and Esperanza screamed, and that's how we left off. So let's go ahead and jump in to the next chapter. The next chapter is called Las Papayas. Esperanza heard Papa and the others singing. They were outside her window, and their voices were clear. Before she was aware, she smiled because her first thought was today was her birthday. I should get up and wave kisses to Papa. But when she opened her eyes, she realized she was in her parents' bed on Papa's side that still smelled like him, and the song had been in her dreams. Why hadn't she slept in her own room? The events of last night wrenched her mind into reality. Her smile faded, her chest tightened, and a heavy blanket of anguish smothered her smallest joy. Papa and his vaqueros had been ambushed and killed while mending a fence on the farthest reaches of the ranch. The bandits stole their boots, saddles, and horses, and they even took the beef jerky that Papa had hidden in his pockets for Esperanza. Esperanza got out of bed and wrapped a shawl around her shoulders. The shawl felt heavier than usual. Was it the yarn? Or was her heart weighing her down? She went downstairs and stood in La Sala, the large entry hall. The house was empty and silent. Where was everyone? Then she remembered that Abuelita and Alfonso were taking Mama to see the priest this morning. Before she could call for Hortensia, there was a knocking at the front door. "Who's there?" called Esperanza through the door. "It is Señor Rodriguez. I have the papayas." Esperanza opened the door. Maricel's father stood before her, his hat in his hand. Beside him was a big box of papayas. "Your father ordered these for me for the fiesta today. I tried to deliver them to the kitchen, but no one answered." She stared at the man, who had known Papa since he was a boy, then looked at the green papayas, ripening to yellow. She knew why Papa had ordered them. Papaya, coconut, and lime salad was Esperanza's favorite, and Hortensia made it every year on her birthday. Her face crumbled. "Señor," she said, choking back the tears, "have you not heard? My papa is dead." Señor Rodriguez stared blankly, then said, "¿Qué pasó, niña? What happened?" She took a quivering breath. And she told the story. She watched the grief twist Señor Rodriguez's face and overtake him as he sat down on the patio bench, shaking his head. She felt as if she were in someone else's body, watching a sad scene, but unable to help. Hortensia walked out and put her arm around Esperanza. She nodded to Señor Rodriguez, then guided Esperanza back upstairs to the bedroom. He ordered the papayas," sobbed Esperanza. "I know," whispered Hortensia, sitting next to her on the bed and rocking her back and forth. "I know." And that, I think, is where we're going to go ahead and end it. I don't want these videos to be too long. I want them to be enjoyable. So that's where we're going to end today. And I will see you back tomorrow. Bye, guys.